Hi dear students, welcome to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. This is continue video from afternoon session. Here the question from exercise 2D relations and functions, we are in that. By this class we are going to finish that complete relations and function from the topic, second topic. The relation f is defined by f of x is equal to x square. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. 3x, 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 10. So this function you have to verify, you have to show that f is a function. So elements are equal. So suppose x is equal to 3, if you take it, then x is equal to 3 belongs to from here. Then f of x is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. From this interval, x is equal to 3, we can take it now. Then f of x is equal to 3x means 3 into 3, 9. Elements are equal, their images are equal, so it is function. Therefore, f is a function. If we come to the second function, g of x is equal to, even here also x square condition, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and 3x, 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 10. In the, what do we have to do generally? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, we can verify for this. X is equal to 2 and till x is equal to 10, we have to verify. So among these ordered pairs, which one is having here both elements the same, 3 comma 9, 3 comma 9 is this element, so 3 comma 9, both are different. 3 is associated with 9 element itself, so obviously one element in A set is associated with other element in other element in the set B, so it is a function. That is the reason f is a function. But here come to here in this function, suppose x is equal to 2 you take from this, so then what we have to get it is g of x will becomes x is equal to 3 square, 2 square, so which is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2, if we take the second function, then g of x is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. From the first, you are getting 2 comma 4, and from the second you are getting 2 comma 6 ordered pair. So G relation will becomes 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 6, whereas F is containing 3 comma 9, both are same now here, 3 comma 9. Different elements are associated with different element, so it is a function. But here in G relation, element 2 has two different images, then G is not a function. G is not a function. Element 2 has two different images, then G is not a function. Otherwise we can write like this. What we can write is in G relation, for the elements 4 comma 6 same pre-image is 4 comma 6 have same pre-image, then G is not a function. It's not a function. Are you getting this, students? This is the way you can give the answer. I hope you understand. We'll move on to other question. Anyway, we'll finish this session. In after 9:30 integration MSET JMN's type session in my other channel, we are going to discuss. We already done 2 videos of that, so be ready by 9:30 or 9:40. We'll come to the session now. It will help for the MSET students as well JMNs. I am expecting at least our session will help for MSET related students. Most of the videos are available in that channel. You can go through once, it will be there. Question number 2. Let f comma g defining from R to R be defined respectively by f of x equal to x plus 1 and g of x equal to 2x minus 3. Find in that first one f plus g, second one f minus g, third one f by g. So this is the question. So first, whatever the functions are available, given functions, f is defining from R to R and g is defining from R to R, defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equal to, g of x is this one. F of x is x plus 1, g of x is 2x minus 3. That is the given information, given data, dear students. Now question number 1. The meaning of f plus g is f plus g of x, the meaning of this one. So f of x plus g of x, the meaning of this. So f of x is what? 2x minus 3 plus g of x, f of x value here x plus 1 plus g of x value 2x minus 3. So 2x plus x is 3x, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Come to the question number 2 in this. F minus g, that means f minus g of x, which is equal to f of x minus g of x. F of x means x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. So x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. X minus 2x is minus x. 1 plus 3 is 4. Problem number 3. F by g means f by g of x. That means f of x by g of x. So what is f of x? X plus 1 divided by g of x means 2x minus 3. When this function is defined, when 2x minus 3 is not equal to 0. That means 2x is not equal to 3x is not equal to 3 by 2. This is the way we can do it. Nothing is there in this. I hope you understand. Let f equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 3. Be a function from z to z defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b for some integers a comma b. Determine a comma b. This is a good question. If we understand that question, we can. So first, given f of x equal to one comma 1, 2 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 3. It is just this f, simply f. So you can take this is x, this is y. Ordered pairs x and y only know. F of x is equal to ax plus b, it is given. F of x means what? Y. Let y is equal to. So in place of x and y, substitute y value is what in this? 1 is equal to x is equal to 1, no? So x plus 1 into a. That means a plus b. I hope you understand. X is equal to 1, substitute a into 1, a plus b equal to 1. For the ordered pair, you are getting like this. For the ordered pair 2 comma 3, what comes? 3 equal to 2a plus b. If you want to take other also, it comes no need. But generally, the meaning I am going to express for your understanding purpose, dear students. So minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b. So minus 1 is equal to b. B value you got it here. Next minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 equal to a into minus 1 plus b. So minus 3 equal to minus a plus b. So b value minus 1 if you substitute in this, minus a minus 1. Minus 1 bring this side. 1 minus 3 equal to minus a. Minus 2 equal to minus a. 2 equal to a. So this b value substitute even here also, you are going to get the same answer. Why? Because b is equal to minus 1 substitute here plus 4. 4 is equal to 2a means a is equal to 2 only will come. Therefore, the values of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So therefore, the required values of A and B. This is the way we can do, dear students. It's a simple one. I think you got it. You understand that. Now we will enter into third section. This is the third section, is the last section in this relations and functions. If f equal to 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 5 5 comma 6 6 comma minus 4 and g equal to 4 comma minus 4 6 comma 5 8 comma 5, then find first one f plus g, second one f minus g, 2f plus 4g, fourth one f plus 4, fifth one f into g, sixth one f by z. So these are the calculations we are going to do that. To do this problem, first what we have to do that. From f is equal to 4 comma 5 5 comma 6 6 comma minus 4. This implies that f of 4 is equal to 5. That means f of 5 is equal to 6. F of 6 is equal to minus 4. Are you able to understand, dear students? Similarly, write g function also. G equal to 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, 8 comma 5. So g of 4 equal to minus 4, g of 6 is equal to 5, g of 8 is equal to 5. Later, whenever you are going to add two functions or subtract two functions or algebraic sum of two functions, the elements of f and g should be same. See here, for 4 here 5 is there, for 5 here there is no element, but 6 here element is there. So 5 is not there in this, no? So only 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6 in this. Now come to f plus g. That means f of 4 5, in this no element. For 5, 6 is not there by here. Leave it. Only for 4 and 6, in G also common elements are there. So sum of two functions is possible for only 4 and 6. So f plus g of 4, comma f plus g of 6. Sir, what about other things? For 5, f of 5 is not there in this. F of 5 equal to 6 means for 5 it is no element here. G of 5 is not there. So g of 5 it comes, how it calculate? We cannot. So here f of 4 plus g of 4, one element, f of 6 plus g of 6. So which is equal to f of 4 value 4 plus g of 4 value minus 4. F of 6 minus 4 plus g of 6 plus 5. So that means here 4 comma the result answer 4 comma 0, next 5 6 comma 6 comma 5 minus 4 minus 1. Why? Because f plus g is defined for the elements 4 comma 6. Why? Because the domain should be same. Whenever you are going to add the two functions, the domain of the two functions should be same. In domain 4 and 6 is there. That is the reason we are doing. Even subtraction also same, dear students. For f minus g also the same situation we are going to follow. So first, instead of this, what we have to do is here 4, f of g of minus 4 and f of minus g of 6. You can calculate, later you can write it. F of 4 minus g of 4, f of 6 minus g of 6. So f of 4 value how much? 5. G of 4 value minus of minus 4, 9. F of 6 value minus 4 minus g of 6 value 5. So minus 9. Therefore, f minus g will be defined as 4 comma 9. Now you got clarity. Compared with this method is you got clarity on this. 6 comma minus 9. Sir, why sir you are going like this? Sir? F plus g, f minus g is defining on only the same elements to define the two functions, sum of the two functions. It should be having the same domain. So in this and in this 4 comma 6 is common elements. For that elements only it will be defined. Next come to question number 3. In question number 3 also same situation will follow. 2f plus 4g of 4 first. So 2 into f of 4 plus 4 into g of 4. So which is equal to 2 f of 4 value is 5 minus 4 into g of 4 value is minus 4. 10 plus 8 that is equal to 18. Next 2f plus 4g of 6. 2 into f of 6 plus 4 into g of 6. So 2 into f of 6 value minus 4 plus 4 into g of 6 value 5 minus 8 plus 20 that is equal to 12. Therefore, 2f plus 4g can be defined as 4 comma 18, 6 comma 12. Are you all getting with me? Next, if we come to the fourth one is a single function f plus 4. That means f of 4 plus 4, f of 5 plus 4, f of 6 plus 4, f plus 6. That means in F, what are the domain elements? 4, 5, 6. For all only one function we are adding now. So that means f of x plus 6, f of x plus 6, f of x plus 6. So what are the domain elements? 4, 5, 6. So f of 4 plus 6, you write it one by one. F of 4 value how much by here? F of 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. F of more 2 are there, I will finish it. F of 5 plus 6. F of 5 how much? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. F of 6 plus 6. What is f of 6? F of 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6. It is 2. Therefore, it will be defined as 4 comma 11. Next, 5 comma 12. 6 comma 2. So here 6 is there now. We are adding for the codomain element. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 6 minus 4. So these are the values of f plus 6. Next, f into g. Fifth one. For f into g, f by g also common element should be there. F of g of 4. So f of 4 into g of 4. F of g of 4. That is equal to f of g of 4 value how much? Minus 4. F of minus 4 is not there now. So that means f of 4 into g of 4. Common elements. What is f of 4? We have 5. We have g of 4 is minus 4. So minus 20. Next, f into g of common elements. 4 and 6 only now. 4 and 6. F of 6 into g of 6. F of 6 value minus 4 into g of 6 value 5. So minus 20. Therefore, f into g equal to 4 comma minus 20, 6 comma minus 20. Next, last one, sixth one, f by g. Even here also same thing, same situation, dear students. F of 4 by g of 4. F of 4 means 5 by minus 4. Similarly, f by g of 6. F of 6 by g of 6. So f of 6 value is minus 4, g of 6 value is 5. Therefore, f by z equal to, so 4 comma minus 5 by 4, 6 comma minus 4 by 5. So except in only one function, remaining all common domain. Define f plus g is defining for the only elements 4 comma 6. Why? Because since to define the sum of or difference of any two elements, the domain should be same. Since domain should be same, not only for the sum but also difference and product and division. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Just g of 6, how much? G of 6 is, f of 6 is minus 4, g of 6 is plus 5, g of 6 plus 5. So in question once I will check, is there any changes? That is correct only. Okay, dear students, we'll move to other question. This is very important for 8 marks or 4 marks in your public exam, AP intermediate students. If f and g are real valued functions defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x equal to x square, then find first question 3f minus 2g of x, second question fg of x, third one f by g of x, fourth one f plus g plus 2 of x, fifth one 2 times of f of x, sixth one 2 plus f of x. So these are the questions we need to calculate, dear students. So first, given function f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x square. So question they are asking, first one 3f minus 2g of x. So just scalar subtraction of two functions, scalar multiple with subtraction. 3 times of f of x minus 2 times of g of x. So 3 times of f of x value 2x minus 1 minus 2 times of g of x means x square. So which is equal to 6x minus 3 minus 2x square. That's all. First question is over. Come to the question number 2. 1 minute, dear students. I'm getting squeezing. Next, second one, fg of x. So that means f of x into g of x simply. What is f of x we have here? 2x minus 1 into g of x means x square. So which is equal to 2x cube minus x square. Just simply multiplication. Come to the third one, f by g of x. F by g of x means f of x by g of x. So f of x means 2x minus 1 by g of x means x squared. So fourth one, f plus g plus 2 of x, that is equal to f of x plus g of x plus 2. So sum of two functions plus 2 extra. 2 of x we cannot write. So f of x means what? 2x minus 1 plus g of x value is what? X square plus 2. So which is equal to 2x plus x square plus 1, 2 minus 1. Is it equal to x plus 1 whole square or not? We can write like this or leave it. Not compulsory to do that. Next, after fifth question. In the fifth question, 2 times of f of x. So 2 times of f of x means what? 2x minus 1 is given. 2x minus 1. So 4x minus 2. So later, sixth one, 2 plus f of x. So which is equal to 2 plus f of x value 2x minus 1. So 2x, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So this is the way we can conclude the answers, dear students. If f of x equal to x square and g of x is equal to mod x, find the following functions. F plus g, f minus g, f into g, 2f, f plus 3, f by g for x is not equal to 0. So these are the values they are asking to find. F of x is equal to given x squared and g of x is equal to x mod x. First question, f plus g of x. Here two cases are there. F of x plus g of x. Here also f of x plus g of x. F of x is x square plus mod x, x square plus mod x. If x is greater than 0, mod x will become plus x. You remember, yes, students. If x is less than 0, x square minus x. Second one. Next, f minus g of x. Same procedure we can follow. F of x plus g of x. F of x minus here, sorry. So x square minus mod x. X square minus mod x. Mod x will become plus x. When x is greater than 0, mod x will become plus x, no? So it will be x square minus x. X square plus x. If x is greater than 0, if x is greater than or less than 0. Greater than or equal to, we can. Next, that also completed. So third one, f g of x. f of x into g of x, f of x into g of x, x square into mod x square into mod x. This is x cube if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x cube if x is less than 0. For all thing is mod x is equal to plus x if x is greater than 0, equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Only the thing, that is the definition. Next, f plus 3. Sorry, dear friends. 2f. 2f means 2 of x. 2 into f of x. So 2 into f of x value is x square. There is no question of arising here, plus or minus. Leave it like this. Next, fifth one, f plus 3. That means f plus 3 of x. So f of x plus 3, that means, so which is equal to x squared plus 3. Next, sixth one, f by g of x. So f of x divided by g of x. So f of x by g of x. F of x is equal to, here I will write it as students, f of x by g of x. So f of x means what? X squared by g of x is mod x. This is equal to x squared by x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So this also we can write x plus x. Second possibility, f of x by g of x, x squared by mod x. So x squared by minus x, that is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. This is the conclusion for the question number 6. Okay, dear students, till here we completed. More 2 questions are there. I will finish it that also. If the function f is defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2, if x is greater than 3, x square minus 2, if minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 2, 2x plus 1 if x is less than minus 3, then find the values. Of f of 2.5, f of minus 2, f of minus 4, f of 0, f of minus 7, f of 1, f of 9. F of 2.5, 5 by 2 not there in this. 5 by 2. First one, f of 2.5. 2.5, see here, x is greater than 3 means it is 3, 2.5. Greater than, so is not defined. F of minus 2. So this is the function raised to b. F of minus 2 means minus 2 are equal to x now. So in this you can substitute. Minus 2 whole square minus 2. 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. Next, f of minus 4. If x is less than minus 3 means it comes minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. So this function. So 2 into minus 4 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 which is equal to minus 7. Next, f of 0. F of 0. 0 lies between minus 2 and plus 2. No? So in this it comes 0 square minus 2. 0 minus 2 that is equal to minus 2. Next, f of minus 7. Even minus 7 also in this category it is less than minus 3. So 2 into minus 7 plus 1. Minus 14 plus 1 which is equal to minus 13. Next, f of 1. So f of 1 means 1 is also lies between minus 2 and plus 2 only. So 1 square minus 2, 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. F of 9. X is greater than 3, 9. So 3 into 9 minus 2. 27 minus 2, 25. So this is the way we can calculate your students. Okay. So first one. See, one more is there. F of 5 they are asking to calculate. Here, f of 5 is also there. F of 5. So f of 4, 4, 4. F of 4 means what? In this only, no? Here, f of 4. 4 means x is greater than 3. So 3 into 4 minus 2, that is equal to 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. Anyway, 2.5 is not there in this, it is not defined. Okay, students, we will move to other question. This is the last question in this session. Determine a quadratic equation quadratic function f is defined by f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. If f of 0 equal to 6, f of 2 equal to 1, f of minus 3 equal to 1, sorry, minus 3 equal to 6. So this is the question. We have that last question, dear students, but it is important itself. They asked in the model paper itself. So f of x is given as what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Keep that equation number 1. F of 0 equal to 6 is given. Put x is equal to 0 in 1. We get f of 0 equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c. Since f of 0 equal to 6, so 6 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus c, so c is equal to 6. Okay, now put x is equal to 2 in 1, we get f of 2 equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. So f of 2 value, what value is given? F of 2 is equal to 1. So 1 equal to 4a plus 2b, c value 6. 6 bring this side, minus 5 equal to 4a plus 2b. Keep that equation number 1, sorry number 2, already 1 is there now. Next, put x is equal to minus 3 in 1, we get f of minus 3 equal to a into minus 3 whole square plus b into minus 3 plus c. F of minus 3 value is given as what? 6. 6 equal to 9a minus 3b, c is equal to 6. Both sides 6 get cancelled. So minus 3 we bring this side. 3b is equal to 9a, b is equal to 3a. Equation number 3. B is 3a, substitute in equation 2, minus 5 equal to 4a plus 2 into 3a. So minus 5 equal to 4a plus 6a, that is equal to 10a equal to minus 5. So a equal to 5 ones 5 2s, so minus 1 by 2. A is equal to minus 1 by 2. So when a is equal to minus 1 by 2, then b is equal to 3a, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to minus 3 by 2. So b value 3 by 2. So a value, b value and c value. Therefore, a, b, c values substitute in equation 1, we get f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic function. So a value minus 1 by 2 x square, b value minus 3 by 2 x plus 6. This is the required quadratic function. I hope everyone understands, dear students. By this class, we finished all exercises 2a, 2b, 2c and 2d with 5 videos of relations and function, and miscellaneous or objective MCQ questions also. In the coming days I will finish it. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. Thank you for your consideration. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind. Exam side mathematics by Pani.